Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are fine. A lot of people are facing the issue in Microsoft Edge that uh, we are unable to use web select feature in Microsoft Edge. Here we can see we cannot able to use. Here is the no option for using a web select feature. There is capture area and capture full page. Capture area does that it takes screenshot of the page. We were able to use web select feature while Control Shift X shortcut key, but now it is not working. So here is the solution, guys. First of all, you have to close Microsoft Edge. After that, right click on Microsoft Edge shortcut key. Then here is written Microsoft Edge. Right click on it and then click on properties. After the properties, you can here see target. Here target is the Microsoft Edge application where it is stored. Like Microsoft Edge is installed in my program files in Microsoft Edge directory. Here you have to do one thing: remove this profile directory carefully until default. Remove this. After the quotation marks, you have to give a space and write -enable -features is equal to msEdgeAreaSelect. You can see I have written this line in here. I will give this in description box. You can copy all of this or only this one part. You can copy and paste it down there. Oops, we're here. You can simply paste like this. After this, click on apply and then click OK. After OK, the work is done. Open Microsoft Edge. Here you can see in the shortcut key we can see web select feature. Now we can easily use the web select feature. Like if we go here on any web page, we can simply use Control Shift X shortcut key to use this. Look, we can easily copy all of the content. I have found this solution after many research. So if you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. I have seen a lot of hate comments in the community section of Microsoft Edge. People are giving a lot of hate to, so I thought I have to make a video on this. So if you didn't know me, I made videos on latest technologies like DevOps, programming languages. Like I have started a series on DevOps, beginners to advanced series. If you want to learn DevOps, so you can visit my channel and access the playlist of DevOps tutorials for beginners. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care, peace.